Guidance and navigation powered down. The first things you're going to want to do is make sure your EMS function's off and in standby. 5-1, 1-2, we'll go at set and GDC now. Take everything to minimum impulse. Attitude deadband max, rate low. And now you can disable your RCS jets. Translational control power off. All rotational control power off, including direct. CMC mode free. Rate 2 on the BMAGs. Now you'll want to be sure that your SCS TVC pitch and yaw are in rate command, and your TVC gimbal drives, pitch and yaw, are in auto. Make sure this switch here, the AOA, area of attack, and the percent thrust, the SPS, make sure it's on percent thrust. BMAGs 1 and 2 go to warm up. TVC servos, make sure they're off. Now take FTAI GPI power to off. Logic power 2-3 off. SCS electronics power off. Signal conditioner driver bias power off. Ensure CMC mode is free. Power down the IMU. Reset on the computer. Optical systems. GN power optics off. Now open the SCS logic bus circuit breakers. Open the optics circuit breakers and the IMU circuit breakers. And now you can prepare the computer for power down. Verb 37, enter, 00, enter. Verb 48, enter. Verb 21, enter. 01102, enter. Proceed, proceed, proceed. Verb 46, enter. And now you can run program 6. Verb 37, enter, 06, enter. Confirm power down, push and hold until standby light on. And now, there is nothing maintaining your attitude, no way to tell it, the balls are locked, IMU's off, and everything guidance is off. You'll notice significantly lower flow on the fuel cells now. And you'll most likely be doing this on Earth orbit missions because they tend to be very long, extremely long, longer than the lunar ones. So to save on your cryo react levels, you'll power down your guidance. And also to keep it out of gimbal lock because there is a slight amount of air resistance up here, just a very small amount, and it does tend to bump you into gimbal lock quite a bit. So that's it. We're powered down, and thanks for watching.